Without reliable automation technology, the pharmaceutical and food production industries struggle with complex plants, poor error detection, and high maintenance costs. We have the solution. In a decentralized plant concept, our control heads are unbeatable. A minimum amount of hoses helps reduce compressed air consumption and the risk of leaks. Type 8681 allows us to offer a universally applicable solution for process valves from almost every manufacturer. High-performance colored LEDs enable process monitoring at a glance. You are able to see which errors have occurred thanks to the highly visible colors, and then eliminate them immediately. This not only minimizes the risk of downtime, but also enables you to use extensive diagnostic functions via digital communication to guarantee reliable plant operation. Maintenance is also accelerated, for example, through the teach function for automatic adjustment of the in-position feedback. Now is the time for us to listen to you. We will be more than happy to advise you on the design of an ideal automation concept.